Good morning, everyone. In class 12th, we are on the topic death of a partner, and yesterday I explained you how to calculate profit, share, or interest on capital at the time of death of a partner. And in that case, I explained you that there are two methods for calculating share of profit on the basis of time. If there are months, then divide by 12. If there are days, then divide by 365. Or maybe the question will come for weeks, then 52 weeks. So I gave you that question also, that is complete months. So we have to calculate according to the month. Then on the basis of sales, so same here, on the basis of sales, the formula will be this. Now, we are going to calculate. Yesterday I explained you that part. Now we are going to do the complete numerical. Complete numerical will be same as retirement, but only there will be difference in two things. That is, yes, this is the question. Only two things you have to change, and these two things are profit share as well as after profit share there will be interest on capital. So children, this is the question. Puneet, Pankaj and Pami are partners in a business sharing profits and loss in the ratio of 2 to 1. Their balance sheet is as follows. Mr. Pami died on 30th September. The deed provided the following. Yes, so in this case, here three partners are there. Puneet, Pankaj and Pami. Here Pami died on 30th September. So first thing which we will keep in mind is the date of death. That is 30th September. So the deceased partner will be entitled to his share of profit up to the date of death, calculated on the basis of previous year's profit. So previous year's profit will be based. So here 30th September, and this balance sheet is of 31st March. So what to do? We should first calculate the months. So here 1st April to 30th September. So first thing is 1st April to 30th September. One thing, April, May, June, July, August, and one is September. 6 months. And the next thing which we have to keep in mind is the share of dead partner, and the share of dead partner is 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Profit sharing is 1 by 5. So these two things first you decide and write down. Then you will start and see. In the death, only you have to make capital account. Now this from this year, this settlement of amount due is not in your course, and you have to make the capital account of only of dead partner, deceased partner. No need to prepare the capital account of all other partners. So first thing, profit up to the date of death calculated on the basis of previous year's profit. See my dear children, in this question, previous year's profit is 30,000. Okay, so how to calculate P&L suspense? The first thing, P&L suspense. Yesterday I gave you the formula. Okay, PTS. Profit time share. So here profit is 30,000. Time is 6 months. Share is 1/5. This is the crucial point you have to keep in mind. Only the P&L suspense calculation and IUC will be different. Other all process will be same. Other all method or steps will be same. So here 30,000 is the profit. You will keep in mind. And then next, interest on capital is to be allowed at 12% per annum. Now, next thing is IUC. His capital is 40,000. First thing, P&L suspend. Second thing, IUC. Only two things you have to calculate carefully. IUC, my dear children, capital of PAMI is 40,000. Same. Interest on capital will be calculated same as you have learned in class 7. Calculation of interest, PTR. Okay. Principal amount into time into rate. So 40,000, then T. T means time. Your time is already calculated. 6/12. And R. R means weight. That is given in the question. 12%. So here 12%. These two things you have to calculate very carefully. P&L suspense and IUC. These two things are different from retirement. Other all things are same. So here 15,400 paid to the executor and balance will be treated as loan. See my dear children, settlement of loan is not in your course. Now we are going to start this question. Be careful. No need to make the capital account of all. Only Mr. PAMI's capital account, because this is the question given in NCERT. Because Mr. PAMI died on 30th September. The 30th September. So first of all, two things you have to do. Time duration of survival of that partner in that firm. So that is 1st April to 30th September. And then next is after calculating time period, you have to see the profit sharing ratio. Now simple. First calculation is of P&L suspense and second calculation is of IUC. Now other all things are same, like calculation of goodwill and all other things. See my dear children, see how I am going to make the capital account. It is same as retirement, but only one partner's capital account. See, first of all, balance PD of PAMI, because PAMI is a deceased partner. Then profit and loss suspense account. Just now I explained you how to calculate profit and loss account. How to calculate? Yesterday I explained you two methods, on the basis of sales, on the basis of time period. This is on the basis of time period, my dear children. Yes, basis of time period from 1st April to, yes, date of death given in the question, that is 30th September. Now, profit and loss suspense. Why suspense? Because that partner died during the year, not at the end of the year. During the year means on 30th September. Then Puneet and Pankaj will give him the goodwill. At the same rule, gainer to sacrifice. Okay, so gainer to sacrificer, we have to calculate goodwill, and that goodwill will be divided in their gaining ratio. Then next, interest on capital. Interest on capital is also same, by the way. The 2400, how it is calculated? Yes, same, capital into rate upon 100. Okay, so that is 2400. These two things you have to calculate, then you have to start. Reserve will be distributed as same in their profit sharing ratio, but here we are going to make one partner's capital account only. Okay, then drawings 10,000. Then this is the balancing figure, my dear children. This is balancing figure. Okay. Balancing figure is given to his executor account. Yesterday I told you that is the basic difference in retirement and death. See, if that partner retired, then this amount transferred to retired partner's capital account. But here, the partner is not going to retire. He is a deceased partner. So the firm will pay this amount to his executor account. Executor's amount will be calculated as balancing figure. Then we have to make executor account. Okay. Then executor account means the amount transferred from here to here. Then 15,400 paid immediately. Then balance will be 60,000. Balance will be 60,000 because in this question no need to make settlement or partners executor settlement account. Okay, children, now I am going to explain you again. See, Puneet, Pankaj and Pami are partners for 221 and this is the balance sheet. But Mr. Pami died. So we have to go and see the Pami share, that is 1/5. Okay. Then we are moving next. That we will see the date, that is 30th September. So what to do? Calculate the months, that are the 6 months. Why? From 1st April to 30th September. Then we will calculate profit on the basis of previous year, and previous year profit is 30,000. Then next, IOC at the rate of 12%. His capital is this, and on that 12% and for 6 months. Okay. Now see, all these part is for calculation of goodwill. Goodwill calculation is the same as retirement. Yes, same as retirement. What is the rule for retirement? Yes, gainer debit to sacrificer. Here, Puneet and Pankaj are gainers and sacrificer is for me. So Puneet debit, Pankaj debit to Pami. And the calculation, we have to do the calculation, and that would be divided among in their gaining ratio among remaining partner or gainers. So that gaining partner ratio is 2:2, means 1:1, that is equal. Now see, all drawings given clearly 10,000, IOC given, and 15,400 you are paying immediately. Now children, come to the capital account. Yes, balance BD, opening capital, P&L suspense as we have done. Then these two, these two are for goodwill, IOC calculated, reserve, his share, drawings given, and balancing figure to executor account. Now my dear children, I want to say that in exam the general entry may also come. So how to pass the general entry? See, balance is not required any general entry. First general entry, yes, from P&L suspense. P&L suspense account debit to Pami's capital account. Yes. Puneet Pankaj debit to Pami's capital account. Okay. So first of all, we have to know how to do the general entries. First general entry. First, P&L suspense debit. Okay. Second general entry. Puneet Pankaj debit to Pammi. Puneet debit, Pankaj debit to Pammi. That is 15,000, 15,000 and 30,000. And P&L suspense 3,000. How to do? I already calculated. Then IOC debit to Pammi. IOC calculation I have already explained you. IOC debit to Pammi. Then reserve debit to Pammi. Then next, Pammi debit to drawings. And last, Pammi debit to Pammi's executor account. So, first, then Pammi debit to drawings or cash. Sixth entry. Sixth entry. Pammi's capital debit, P's capital debit, P's executor. Last entry. P's executor account debit to bank. Generally, in the question of death, the question of death in the exam is related with general entry. See, now these two for goodwill, these two, and IOC debit to Pammi, reserve debit to Pammi, then Pammi to drawings, Pammi to Pammi's executor. Okay, clear? Then no need to prepare that executor account if until and unless they told you to make. Otherwise, from here you will transfer the amount to bank and to balance CD. To balance CD or to Pammi's executors. Loan account is also a correct word. Okay, now you have to make. This is the question given in NCERT. So no need to note down the question. Just note down the answer. This is the answer, complete answer, first account, Pammi's capital account. Now on the basis of Pammi's capital account, we have to make Pammi's general entries. Yes, children, note down please. First of all, no need to pass the entry for balance, P&L suspense, Puneet Pankaj debit to Pammi, IOC debit to Pammi, reserve debit to Pammi, then Pammi debit to drawings, Pammi debit to Pammi's executor account. Then Pammi's executor account, that balance will be transferred from here to here and then to bank 15,400 and then final you can write Pammi's executor's loan account that is 60,000. No need to calculate interest. So children, maybe in the question that will come on the basis of general entries. But general entries are same as retirement because I explained you all the things at the time of retirement. So general entries will be same. But only two things you have to keep in mind, which I am explaining you for many days. You have to calculate the months or days or weeks of the given in the question, and then next is profit sharing ratio of deceased partner. These two things we have to calculate carefully. 1st April to 30th September. Why up to 30th September? Because that partner is died on 30th September. So that will be for 6 months. Profit sharing ratio is 1/5. Now we have to calculate two things. Be careful. These two things will make the change. Profit and loss suspense account, profit, time, share. And then IOC capital into rate into months. Then these two things you have to be calculated carefully. I explained you yesterday also. Other general entries you can pass by making capital account. You have to make capital account in working mode because otherwise this entry is not possible. Piece capital to piece executed. This balancing figure we can calculate with the help of capital account only. So for making general entries, you can make capital account as well.